Hello everyone, welcome to another video of English grammar from your book Grammar Greer, and today we will start chapter number 3, that is article. I think all of you know about article. This is a very easy and basic grammar chapter, okay, which you have got earlier also. So as we all know that articles are of three types, like a, an, or the, isn't it? An article is always used before a noun. So the article a and an are used to refer to a noun for the first time or when we mean any. And that is why this kind of articles are called indefinite articles. Means you can point out to any one of the item or thing from a group, suppose from a group, okay, or when we are referring to the noun for the first time, then we use the article either a or an, because they do not refer to specific person, place, animal, or thing. A or an, that is indefinite article, never refers to any particular or specific person, place, or thing. That is why it means any of the any animal, any person, anything, okay. But in another case, the article the specifies the noun. Article the, it always specify the noun. Which noun? The noun which you want to refer, that noun only. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned or is known and easily recognized. Okay, so here article a or an is basically used when we refer to a noun for the first time, and again in the second time when we are going to talk about the same noun, then we cannot use a or an, then we have to use the, because the is used to the noun which already been mentioned, okay. When you are mentioning the noun for the first time, then use either a or an, but when you are mentioning the noun which already mentioned, then you have to use the. And that is why, because of this property, it is called definite article. Definite means fixed, particular, specific, okay. For example, have you been to a mall? Have you been to a mall? A mall means we are talking a mall in general. It can be any mall, okay. There are various mall in a city or town, so I am picking any one of the mall. Yes, I have been to a mall. So here answer also for a mall. What did you shop for at the mall? So the mall where you have been, okay, earlier. So now I am talking about that mall, that what you have purchased from that mall. That's why the mall. Now I am talking about a specific mall. I bought a pair of shoes at the mall. So in that mall I bought a pair of shoes. So here I am not talking about any of the mall. I am talking about the mall. I am asking about the mall from where the other person had purchased. Okay. Now let's move to the article a or an. Sometime a word or an abbreviation may begin with a consonant, but the initial sound may be that of a vowel. So basically what we know, that a or an, the use of a or an, that is a is used for a consonant and an is used for vowel, right? So here sometime a word or an abbreviation may begin with a consonant, but the initial sound may be that of a vowel, but thus it maybe sounds like a vowel. Maybe the word, it begin with a consonant, but it may sounds like a vowel, okay. The first sounding, it may comes like a vowel. Similarly, or a word or an abbreviation may begin with a vowel, but the sound may be that of a consonant. Sometime a word, it begins with a vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u, but it sounds like consonant, okay, opposite of each other. So we use a before word that begin with a consonant sound, and an before word that begin with a vowel sound. So basically what we know about article, that a is used with consonant and n is used with vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u, okay. Sometimes some words are there, for example, one. This is a word, okay, and one is hour. This is a word which start with vowel, but it sounds like consonant, one, wa, okay, or you can say w, okay. This is hour, which start from a consonant, but it sounds like vowel. We say hour, we pronounce from o. Now when it is a vowel word but it sounds like consonant, it sound W is a consonant, it sounds like consonant, so we cannot use here N. It is wrong. We have to use here A. In the same way with our, maybe it is a consonant word, the word is started from consonant, we cannot use here A. It is wrong. We have to use here N. The same thing is explained here in this paragraph. Okay. So here some examples are there, like an honest man and our. The first sound is O, honest, which is a vowel sound. Okay, that's why here not A, N. A UN program, U, Y. It sounds like Y. UFO, abbreviation maybe start from U, which is vowel, but it sounds like consonant. Okay. A one-eyed crow, one start with W. It sounds like W. Okay. One-eyed crow, 1 rupee note, like that. 1 rupee coins. So there you have to use A, not N. Maybe it start from vowel, but you have to use A. Why? Because it sounds like consonant. Okay. Sounding also matters a lot. But these things happen in a very rare words, not all the words. Okay. But basically you have to use the proper thing, that is N with vowel and A with consonant. But when the same thing, when the sounding changes comes, at the time you have to use the opposite of that. Okay. Now let's fill up the indefinite article A or and. I will help you with some examples up to 4. The rest you do by your own. For example, BBC, here it's B, it's consonant word, so A, BBC. NSA, employ. N, it is this one consonant, but why here N? Let me tell you, when we pronounce the word N, the pronunciation is AN, right? The vowel comes, that is why N, NSO. Okay, not A. Understood? So keep this thing in mind. Interesting quiz. An interesting quiz, eucalyptus tree, it is C, so N. In the same way, I told it doesn't happen with all the word. Some words are there where the sounding issues are there, sounding changes are there, so with that only you have to use the opposite article. Okay. Now let's move to the definite article da. Let's see the uses of definite article da. The da is very easy to use. There is nothing like A or N. Okay, just certain thing you need to remember. The definite article does signal that a noun is specific or definite, and it is used before the superlative degree of adjective. So we should always use the before the superlative degree of adjective. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Tallest is the superlative degree. So with before all the superlative degree we have to use the tallest, the strangest, the smartest, and so on. Okay. This is the first use. Number 2, noun that are universally known or unique. Noun which are universally known and unique in this world. For example, the moon, the star, the great bear, the earth, the equator, the North Pole. These all are unique things in this universe. So with all the unique material things or anything, we have to use the. Things of everyday use. The things which we use every day, like the internet, the newspaper, the mobile, the lift, the radio, the metro, everything. So with that we have to use the. Then another, adjective to represent the whole class, group or population. When the adjective is used to represent the particular class, group or population, there we have to use the. For example, the rich, the French, the tribal, the elderly, the young, the wise. For well-known positions or ranks, for the president, the prime minister, the commander, the Indian army, like that. Okay. The name of the countries that consist of a common noun such as states, republic or kingdom. The name of the countries which start with this kind of common noun like states, republic or kingdom, with that we have to use the. For example, the United States of America. Here America, we don't write single America, we write the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Republic of the Congo, then the United Arab Emirate, like that, no? The name of countries plural in form of group or island. Okay, let me tell you, some islands are there, okay, which are in group. Okay, so with that name we cannot use, like Netherlands is an island. It is not one single island, it is a group of island, and that's why we use Netherlands. So the islands or the countries which are in group, okay, with that we have to use the Netherlands, the Maldives, the Hawaiian Islands. But with all the islands we cannot use the. Those islands which are in groups and the islands which are in groups, with that basically we use s. Okay. The names of rivers, seas and oceans, with all the names of the rivers, seas and oceans we have to use the. The name of mountain ranges and desert also we have to use the. Okay. The name of well known building, institute, bridges, hotels, zoos, theaters, museum and universities, that with that we have to use the. Okay. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Parliament, the Pentagon, the Howrah Bridge, like that. The name of inventions or musical instrument, with musical instrument and inventions we have to use the wheel, the telescope, the synthesizer, the guitar, the tabla, like that. And the names which refer to families, like the Chatterjees, the Kapoors, the Wilsons, the Kalitas, like that. Okay. With that we have to use the name of the newspaper and magazines also we have to use the. And one more thing is missing here, the name of holy books like the Gita, the Bhagavad, the Gita, the Quran, okay, the Bible. With that we have to use the. Okay. Now the thing is that we have learned the uses of the. Please see it again in your book. Okay. Now where we cannot use the. So we normally do not use the with the proper noun. Keep this in mind. We cannot use the with the proper noun. If your name is Raj, you cannot say I am the Raj. Okay, it's wrong. So Raj is a proper name. So with the proper name we cannot use the. So we cannot use the with individual name or people, that is proper name. With country, continent, city, state and streets also we cannot use the. Keep this in mind. So here country's name is given, but you see there is a condition. The countries which have state, republic or kingdom, the name which contains state, republic or kingdom, with that only we can use the. And the island which are written in group form, that Netherlands, Maldives, with that we can use the. But with normally we cannot use the with any name of countries, streets, cities and state. With days, month and season also we cannot use the Sunday, the April, the summer, like that. Language and subject of studies also we cannot use the, like the maths, the science, the geography, the geology, like that. Okay. Festival names, with festival names also we cannot use the. Sports names also we cannot use the. And the mountain ranges, here you can see the mountains, and it is given here, mountain ranges and desert we can use the. But if the mountain name is started with mount, the word mount, there you cannot use the. Lakes also, with lake also you cannot use the if the name of the lake is already started with the word Lake Chilika, like that. Okay. So these are the rules which you have to follow while using the. Okay. Now let's move to exercise number B, and what is given here, that use the wherever required or mark a cross. Wherever you cannot use the, just mark a cross. Okay. So first one, United States, the name of the country which started from the word United. Okay, so I am using the here. Canada is the name of a country where you cannot use the. Pacific Ocean, name of the ocean, you can use the. South Africa, name of the country, cannot use the. New York City is also name of a country where you cannot use the. Netherlands is a name of a group of islands, so you can use the. Okay, let's tell you number 7 also. Alps is a name of mountain range, so you can use the. Barclays Bank, it is a name of a bank which started from a person's name. The name of bank, institution, school, colleges or any company or anything which start from the name of a person, there you cannot use the. So that's why we cannot use the. So rest of them you do by your own, try it. Okay. Next, number C is basic uses of the. You can do by your own. Use the wherever required or mark a cross, like dash population after Diwali spreads a lot of diseases. The population after Diwali. So we are talking about pollution. So we are talking about particular thing, that is pollution. So I'm here using the. Dash tennis is my favorite sports. With sports name we cannot use the. So only tennis is my favorite sports. So in this way do the rest. Okay. So for today this much, at least you do the exercise number B and C. Okay, till today this much. Thank you.